All right, Legends, buckle up because we're diving straight into the action. First up, the latest financial reports are in from Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT, and they're revealing some significant strategic shifts and investment moves you need to know about. We're talking new ventures and portfolio adjustments that could redefine their trajectory. Next, we've got a major move from Hargreave Hale AIM VCT plc. They've just announced a substantial share buyback and cancellation that's dramatically altering their outstanding share count. What does this mean for the company's structure and for you as an investor? We've got the details. Hold on, because we're not done with Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT just yet. They've also declared a significant interim dividend, signaling a strong commitment to shareholder returns. Get ready to find out when you can expect that payout and what it means for your investments. And finally, a stark warning sign as Octopus Apollo VCT hits a new 12-month low. We'll explore what's driving this downturn and what the experts are saying about its future. Don't miss out on this critical market intelligence. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT shakes up strategy. Get ready for a deep dive into the latest financial pulse of Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT. This venture capital trust has just dropped its Q2 financials, and the news is packed with strategic maneuvers and investment activity. While the net asset value per share saw a slight dip of 1.08 pence for the quarter ending June 30, 2025, largely due to dividend payouts, the total return per share actually climbed by a solid 0.92 pence, showing underlying growth potential. What's really exciting is their proactive investment strategy. Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT has been busy, making significant new investments in promising companies like Penfold Technology and New Quantum. On the flip side, they've also smartly realized gains by divesting from investments such as Rotageek, demonstrating a keen eye for both growth opportunities and profitable exits. These moves come as the company officially changed its name and trading mnemonic, signaling a fresh chapter and strategic realignment. Adding to the positive outlook, a second interim dividend has been declared, underscoring their dedication to rewarding shareholders. The market is buzzing with this news, with investors closely watching Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT's ability to navigate the venture capital landscape. Analysts are keen to see how these new investments perform and if the strategic shifts will translate into sustained long-term value for shareholders. But don't go anywhere, because the financial roller coaster is far from over. Next up, we're uncovering a major share reduction from Hargreave Hale AIM VCT that's set to change the game. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT plc executes major share buyback. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT plc has just executed a significant corporate action, announcing the purchase and subsequent cancellation of a substantial block of 514,967 ordinary shares. This strategic move, conducted at a price of 32.86 pence per share, effectively reduces the company's total issued share capital to 371,225,653 shares, with each share retaining its single voting right. The company currently holds no shares in treasury, meaning this new share count is the definitive figure shareholders will use for determining their stake and reporting obligations under the disclosure and transparency rules. This share buyback is a critical development for Hargreave Hale AIM VCT. From a shareholder perspective, a reduction in outstanding shares can often lead to an increase in earnings per share and potentially boost the stock's value, assuming the company's underlying performance remains stable or improves. It also signals a degree of confidence from the company's management in its own valuation. However, the broader picture for Hargreave Hale AIM VCT, according to TipRank's AI analyst Spark, is currently neutral. The AI highlights ongoing financial challenges, particularly concerning income generation and cash flow, and notes bearish technical indicators. Despite a high dividend yield, valuation is currently hampered by losses. While corporate events like this buyback offer some stability, the overall outlook remains complex. Stay locked in, because the market updates keep coming thick and fast. We're heading back to Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT for an announcement that's music to investors' ears. Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT declares lucrative interim dividend. Good news for shareholders of Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT plc. The company, a key player in investment and asset management, has officially declared its second interim dividend for the fiscal year ending September 30, 2025. This payout is set at a healthy 2 pence per ordinary share, marking a significant return for investors and underscoring the company's financial health and commitment to shareholder value. This dividend declaration is a crucial event for those invested in Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT. It provides a tangible return on investment and signals the company's confidence in its ongoing performance and future prospects. Shareholders can expect this dividend to be disbursed on October 30, 2025. To ensure they receive this payment, investors must submit their participation instructions no later than October 16, 2025, a deadline they won't want to miss. This move is being closely watched as it reflects the company's strategy to balance reinvestment in its portfolio with direct returns to its stakeholders. The market generally reacts positively to consistent dividend payments, especially from VCTs, which are often held for their income-generating potential. Don't switch off yet, the market's biggest stories are still unfolding. Prepare for a sharp downturn as we examine Octopus Apollo VCT's alarming new low. Octopus Apollo VCT plummets to 12-month low. Alarm bells are ringing for Octopus Apollo VCT plc as the stock has plummeted to a new 12-month low, a development that has captured the attention of investors and analysts alike. The company, which specializes in providing development and expansion capital to smaller, unquoted companies within the United Kingdom, typically focuses its investments on businesses requiring debt financing between £1 million and £2 million. This significant price drop raises critical questions about the underlying performance of Octopus Apollo VCT and the broader market conditions affecting venture capital trusts. While the stock has a substantial market cap of £501.89 million, its price-to-earnings ratio stands at a staggering 1,714.29, and it exhibits a beta of -0.09, suggesting low volatility relative to the market. The 50-day moving average is hovering around GBX 46.82, with the 200-day moving average at GBX 46.53, indicating a recent downward trend. Adding a crucial layer of insight, our proprietary Legends Nexus analysis reveals that while Octopus Apollo VCT currently holds a hold rating from analysts, top-rated Wall Street experts are pointing towards 5 other stocks as significantly better investment opportunities right now. These top analysts are reportedly identifying hidden gems that the broader market has yet to discover. And that's a wrap on today's market-moving news. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. All right, Legends, let's do a quick recap. Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT is making strategic plays and declaring dividends. Hargreave Hale AIM VCT is executing a major share buyback, and Octopus Apollo VCT has hit a concerning 12-month low. Don't miss out on any of these critical market updates. Make sure you're subscribed to Legends Nexus, hit that notification bell, drop a like on this video, and tell us in the comments what you think about these VCT movements. You can also follow us on all our social media channels for even more real-time insights. We'll see you in the next one.